Drop shipping tools are essential for making the process easier. And two popular options are AutoDs and DSers. Both tools offer various features to help with drop shipping, but they differ in terms of pricing, functionality, and suitability for specific needs. AutoDs, or automated drop shipping, is a tool that helps automate the drop shipping business by offering features such as product importing, optimization, price monitoring, stock monitoring, and order fulfillment. It also offers a wide range of integrations with platforms like Shopify, Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and Wix, as well as suppliers like Amazon, CJ Dropshipping, Walmart, AliExpress, and many more. On the other hand, DSers is a tool specifically designed for AliExpress dropshipping, focusing on order fulfillment and making payments in bulk. It helps find multiple AliExpress supplier options for a product in one click and processes orders efficiently. While DSers excels in AliExpress order fulfillment, it lacks features like price and stock monitoring, AI description optimization, and title optimization. In terms of reviews, DSers has a 5-star rating, whereas AutoDs has a 4.8-star rating, which is still impressive. To decide between the two tools, consider the specific needs of your drop shipping business. If you want to drop ship from AliExpress onto platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix, and only need order fulfillment, DSers might be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more all-in-one tool that offers a wide range of features, including product optimization, price and stock monitoring, and integrations with multiple suppliers and platforms, AutoDs might be the better option. AutoDs also offers additional features like a marketplace for finding winning products, a print-on-demand feature, and AI-powered store building. In terms of pricing, DSers offers a free basic plan, but it has limitations, and the advanced plan is recommended for most users. The advanced plan costs $19.90 per month, or $15.90 per month if billed yearly. AutoDs, on the other hand, offers a 14-day trial for $1, and its pricing depends on the platform you want to sell on, with packages ranging from import 200 to premium options. Ultimately, the choice between AutoDs and DSers depends on your specific drop shipping needs. If you need a tool that offers all-in-one functionality and flexibility, AutoDs might be the better choice. However, if you're strictly looking for an AliExpress fulfillment service, DSers could be the way to go. It's essential to consider your business needs and choose the tool that best fits your requirements.